Hello, it's Gare from More Studio again. And I will be telling you how to get notifications and song names read aloud on Bluetooth, whether it be Bluetooth speakers, headphones, or even wired speakers or headphones. Basically showing you that it is not limited to Bluetooth. So let's get on with the rest of the video. Here are the devices you will need. You will need your iPhone SE. Mine's plugged in right now. And you will need a Bluetooth speaker. In this case, a TAL BTL-BL. Just the speaker, no bottle, unfortunately. I guess I can call it the TAL Mini now. So the first thing you do is you need to go to your settings, your general, accessibility, voiceover, turn on always speak notifications, and you can adjust the speaking rate or frequency shift or voice pack it uses. Please be aware that if you are using this with a music player, you must control your device with an external source. You must control your iPhone through an external device. Next thing you'll do is you're going to turn on your Bluetooth speaker. Typical Bluetooth startup there. Then you'll set your ringtone and media volumes as needed. This demo will be on volume 12. If you just want notifications, you can hit the voiceover switch.
Accessibility, back button.
And then do this.
Mail now, Garamore, RE, Bluetooth notification test. Mail now, Garamore, R mailboxes, back button.
That's how notifications work while the device is on. And
8:54 p.m.
when it is not on,
3:55 p.m.
this can be
55 p.m.
email notifications while while turned off can be really iffy at times. And I'll have to try it with a different type of system.
D5 p.m.
I got my iPod and it's downloading all the previous messages. Yeah. See if iMessage works.
4 p.m. M. Messages now. Garamore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6.
That's how it works. Device off. Very iffy notification system, which is why I don't use it.
2 notifications. Messages now. Garamore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0
Sometimes it
1 2 3
repeats.
4 5 6.
Notifications are not the only thing that VoiceOver can do. If you have a Bluetooth or wired speaker system, or headset or headphones, you can also have VoiceOver read you the name of the song that's currently playing on the speaker or headset or whatever. Please note that you must have an external controller when using VoiceOver in this way, as because
On mute every day.
when VoiceOver is on, you try to control it, you can't control it with the regular buttons. You can't control it using...
Jason Farnham mute every day.
You cannot use the regular buttons. And so, yeah, how to get that. Turn on VoiceOver like normal, but tap the song name where the song name is displayed. I will demo that now. It's playing Every Day by Jason Farnham.
How it began.
This demo will be on half volume.
Reasons to smile.
See, you must have an external controller. another thing you can do is you can have voice notifications while VoiceOver is also reading the name of the song that plays on your speaker. To do that, enable VoiceOver like normal.
VoiceOver on. Mute. Top or more and out. Reasons to smile.
Select the song name. Send a message. Hit the playback on your phone.
Messages. Now. Gare more. $1 $2 3 55 5 346.
It does not pause music, but song announcements will still work after this.
Someone your own size.
So that's how it works with both functions enabled. Note that this does not read the song, the artist, or album names, or playlist name. Only the song title. If you need an application that, if you need to know the artist, album, or playlist name, you're better off buying a speaker with a display. As VoiceOver does not have the capability to read all metadata. Like I previously mentioned, this also works on wired speakers. The wired speaker is now activated. Again, you must have an external controller. This demo will be on too loud.
Spring in my step. Bright future.
There it is. I just read song names through my wired speaker. To prove to you that it also works with notifications, I'll send myself a quick message.
Messages. Now. Gare more. Smiling face emoji. Smiling face emoji. 1356.
That beep you heard in the background, that was my watch that I'm also using to control the system.
Summer smile.
Yep, YouTube. This has cold hard proof that it does work on wired speakers as well. Thank you for viewing.